Hello everyone, this is your Amit sir and I welcome you all in English class. Students, today I will start the second chapter of your Moments book, and this is a very interesting chapter, and in this chapter you can see that how people try to keep some animal as the pet at their home, but some animals are not petable. कुछ ऐसे भी जानवर होते हैं जिनको आप घर पर पेट बनाकर नहीं रख सकते हैं. एंड इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल सी दैट देयर इज अ मंकी एंड नेम ऑफ दैट मंकी इज टोटो. एंड दैट मंकी मेक्स सो मेनी एडवेंचर्स, सो मेनी मिसचीव्स इन द होम ऑफ ऑथर्स ग्रैंडफादर. लेखक के ग्रैंडफादर के घर में this monkey makes so many mischievous events, adventurous events, and finally the grandfather decides that this monkey is not able to keep at their home. Okay, so the name of the story is The Adventure of Toto, and in this chapter you will see that what kind of adventures this monkey Toto makes. Student, this chapter is written by a very famous Indian author of British descent. British descent means he is an Anglo-Indian person, and being an Anglo-Indian person, he had written so many things in English for especially the children of India. So this is the most important thing related with the character of Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is the author of this story, and Ruskin Bond, as you can see the image of Ruskin Bond had written so many children literature in India. As a prolific writer, he has written over 500 stories, essays, and novels. His popular novel is The Blue Umbrella, and on this Blue Umbrella there is a Bollywood movie, and that movie had won in 2007 the Best Film for Children award. Students, this person Ruskin Bond is also the author of 50 books for children and 2 volumes of autobiography. आप लोग इनके बारे में स्टैंडर्ड 7 में भी कुछ पढ़ चुके होंगे, 8 में भी पढ़ चुके होंगे, एंड नाउ इन स्टैंडर्ड 9 you will experience a very beautiful story, Adventures of Toto. Toto is a monkey. So let's jump into the introduction of the lesson. Student, this lesson is about a very mischievous monkey and naughty monkey, and name of that naughty monkey is Toto. The writer's grandfather bought this monkey from a Tonga driver. एक टोंगा ड्राइवर से, टोंगा मीन्स व्हाट, अ हॉर्स कोच, घोड़े की गाड़ी, घोड़े वाली गाड़ी के ड्राइवर से, टोंगा ड्राइवर से ही बॉट एट ₹5. 5 रुपए में ये खरीदते हैं इनके ग्रैंडफादर. ग्रैंडफादर मीन्स रस्किन बॉन्ड्स ग्रैंडफादर बॉट दैट mischievous monkey from a Tonga driver at the ₹5. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and make the story must read for us. Students, in this story, when I will give you the description of the story, you will see that what kind of pranks, what kind of mischievous and adventurous events played by this mischievous naughty monkey Toto. Toto बहुत सारी शरारतें करता है in the home of author, and most of the time the grandfather takes the naughtiness of Toto as a lovable thing, but finally he decides that at the end of the story he decides that Toto is not the sort of animal to keep at home. अंत में उनको समझ में आता है कि टोटो घर पर रखने लायक एक एनिमल नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स, what is the theme of the story? जब आप इस कहानी को पढ़ोगे देन you will see the highlighted message of the story, that the story deals with the outcome of interaction between human and animals, that how human and animals can live together. ये आप देखोगे, it shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to the human lifestyle. ये स्टोरी ये भी दिखाएगा कि ऑफ कोर्स ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल कैन लिव टुगेदर, बट नॉट ऑल एनिमल कैन अडॉप्ट द हैबिट्स ऑफ ह्यूमंस एंड एक्सेप्ट द ह्यूमन लाइफ स्टाइल. ह्यूमन लाइफ स्टाइल को सारे एनिमल्स रेडी नहीं होते हैं एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. It requires a great deal of patience to train animals to acquire non-destructive behavior. एनिमल्स को ट्रेंड करने के लिए जो है बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस की ज़रूरत होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश करना पड़ता है कि एक एनिमल should learn how to live with humans. So this story is all about that. This was the introduction of the story, and I will tell you that I am sending you the study material using the YouTube platform. So this is very important that you must be aware to keep that what I am posting on my YouTube channel. आप लोग मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेंगे. इससे क्या होगा कि आगे जो भी तुमको स्टडी मटेरियल मिलता रहेगा वो सब टाइम पे तुमको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, आप कभी भी चाहो तो अपना बैक स्टोरीज को जा करके देख सकते हो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर. देन you must subscribe my channel. This will help you to revise at the time of examination. So this was the introduction of today's class of Adventures of Toto. In my next class I will present you the detailed explanation. As you can see that here I had made this. इसका आपको explanation अगले क्लास में मिलेगा. That class will be the complete summarable and detailed notification, detailed explanation of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Enjoy learning.